Alright, we gotta get some provisions. We got some sausage. Can't go fishing without bush beer. Especially up here in the sticks. Alright, what else do you think we need, Tucker? Alright. Well, made a post. One of my good buddies, Tucker here, decided to come salmon fishing. Not salmon fishing. Well, we're going to the Salmon River in New York. Up to the camp. Haven't been back since this fall. So we're gonna go check on things. And we picked a hell of a day to go. It's we got ice, blizzard, snow, all the good shit. So we're literally doing like 40 miles an hour. It might take us like 7 hours to get there. It's 11 o'clock now. We should be there around 3 or 4 a.m. But luckily these plow guys have been doing a really good job. So we'll keep you posted. We gotta stop soon. I gotta take a leak. So good thing we got plenty of grizzly and water here, so stay tuned. Alright, Tucker, we're here. Let's go. It's 3:30 in the morning. We made it to the cabin in the woods. It's fucking pouring. Now I gotta break in my own cabin. Oh man, the fire pit's covered. A little bit of wood fell. Oh good, we still got some firewood. A little bit of the logs fell down. Alright, yeah. There's probably about a foot of snow on the ground. Or so. Fish cleaning station. River's down there. Alright. Here. Alright. This is how we gotta get in the joint.
Breaking and entering 101.
This is how you break into your cabin.
Just talk to the bear living in there?
Yeah, man. Watch out. Here.
Oh.
There's some fish and stuff.
Oh yeah, this will fit perfectly, I'm sure.
Oh, we got plenty of waders. Plenty of waders, plenty of stuff. How about we get this fire going, eh? Oh good, I do have some water. Alright. There's a flashlight right here. There. Let's go grab our shit. This is off. Grab that flashlight. You
guys just have this built?
Cabin is it's about 8 years old.
No shit, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty new.
Well, it's all rough cut lumber. This is all these are real 2x4s. Actually, we had they're 2x6s, but they're real rough cut 2x6s.
What are those?
What? Those are deer feet.
No shit, huh?
Little mounted deer feet. We got wading boots hanging from the rafters. Couple pair of Timbs. More wading boots. You guys will see it in the morning. Alright. Here, hold that.
Let's get this going.
Alright, fire! We got fire, baby! Alright. There's some fucking wood in there. Throw a little nugget on top. Start it with some really, really dry, like pine. And then we'll throw some nice oak on it.
Hell yeah, it's already going.
Oh, you see the mouse? Look at the mouse.
Where?
Yeah, look at him going across the hook.
Dude, let's fucking kill him. Let's get him. Where'd he go?
He went in the little thing up in there.
Are you kidding me?
He just ran down the wall. Went over there.
Are you dude, I want to kill that thing.
He ran down the wall and went over there. That's fucking hilarious. That's fucking hilarious.
Those little fuckers, dude, if I see one, I'm gonna stab it.
Oh man, that's funny.
That's why I have all these knives, for that reason.
Where did I put those fly reels? We might need those.